All right, my country people, welcome now to Otwetwe Medical Center. On top, It FM will be our landlord. And this now your radio agent with a doctor. And yours truly, as the chief medical director, I get a resident doctor, Dr. Rita Egop. The only doctor we once you see him, you go well. Yeah. Once you see Dr. Rita, you go heal. You'll be fine naturally. She's there with me today, and also we get our consultant, who they call the Star Doc.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very young and vibrant Dr. Chimeze Ibe. Yeah. Dr. Kekwano. Yeah, we are happy to join.
Chimeze Ibe.
Oh, Chimeze.
Yeah.
Wow, this is good. It means God.
God has done me well.
My God has done me well.
Yeah.
Chimeze Ibe. All right, so you're welcome to the show.
Yeah.
Today, based on say, you get the way things don't be right now for the country, and things we will know the year before, now we don't the year now. This one, everybody won't kill themselves. This one won't take a life. This one won't do this one, which is the issue of suicide. And even the bear won't commit suicide. All right, so but one of the things where they cause them now depression. All right, so we won't look at that direction. So Dr. Rita, over to you.
Okay, my people, good evening. How on our day, how on our body? Now your girl, your online doctor, your on-air doctor, Dr. Rita Egop. I hope so now week don't they go well. You know, say plenty things on they happen. Things where we know they use our ear here before. Now we they hear say people won't kill themselves. We they hear say people they drink some kind things. This thing no they clear us again. Now we say in dedication to people where they go through tough times, where they go through one thing or the other, and also in dedication to the health week where they come, where they talk, where go, talk about this issue well. We won't address this depression issue. Make people hear, make people know. People they think say this depression no be real thing. Abi Dr. Chimeze, Star Doc. People go to say this depression no be real thing. This suicide no be real thing. So I beg, we want to know na sickness, abi na mood, abi.
No, but you know say this week now even the International Day for what awareness against
suicide. Awareness Day.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, so Doc, you just ask you one question now.
Yeah, good evening, my people. So the thing there we say, depression, first and foremost, na sickness. Depression is a medical condition.
It's a medical condition.
Facts. Depression is a medical condition that is characterized by low mood, feeling of guilt, feeling of worthlessness, and also a feeling whereby the person, those things that he used to find interesting before, he doesn't find those things interesting anymore. And this feeling persists. Medically, we say once it persists for over a period of 2 weeks, a diagnosis of depression is made. So you're making no like I speak too much grammar. So depression, maybe say the person just they feel saying they unhappy, in just they low, in they down, they feel like saying one kill himself, in they feel like say, this life no day worth living anymore. You understand? So the person just they feel like that constantly over a period of 2 weeks.
Okay.
That is depression.
All right. So doctor, what do they cause this depression?
Now, depression a combination of things where they happen for the brain and our environment. That is just it.
Things that happen for the brain
and environment.
Wow.
So for Igbo terms, now we call them neurohumoral factors. Those are the things that happen in the brain. Then environmental factors. So for some people, for this our brain, you get one way they really make us be happy. One chemical, like the way they call serotonin. So for some people, this serotonin go just they drop low. And once it's low, that person is depressed.
Okay.
Now for some other people, for the other part of it, we beside toxin at the environment.
Yeah.
Person we grow up in environment we they very hostile. We love no day. Where people just they beat themselves. People just they cause, wahala. Nobody they take as in they see other person as a friend.
Yeah.
You understand? Those people too are at risk of depression. So you see, Peking we be saying grow for environment we love no day. That child when he grow up, he feel depressed.
Wow.
No. In addition to this, you get some other sicknesses, underlying sicknesses we be say person feel get, the person go dey depressed. Chronic illnesses we be say the person go just dey sick for a very, very long time. They know they treat them, they which kind of
wahala.
You understand? And also drug abuse has been linked to depression.
Yeah.
Drug abuse has been linked. So you see all these things that the things will be say if it cause depression. And for some people, it they genetic. Maybe say it they run for families.
Oh, really?
Yes. For some people, it's genetic. There's a family history of some mental illness, and
That is my one great grandfather uncle been getting grandfather collect am.
true.
This other person collect am. All right. So how person go fit take know whether him truly dey depressed, because sometimes you fit just dey depressed but you no know say you dey depressed. I don't know how person go take know, because you get one other question wey I go ask whether to know whether medical help dey. I don't know, but na just question wey I say ma ask. How person go take know say this stage wey I don reach, so I dey depressed.
So you know say for this life, know how wey go be say you go dey happy 24 hours. Things they happen, you feel just something just happened to you, you feel bad, you feel sad. Not be say you dey depressed, you just they feel bad at that point in time. You understand? But if you listen to this definition of what I've been give, you know, I say depression now, persistence. Persistence, I say the thing just dey there constantly, you know they come out. You go just dey low mood. Low mood, feeling of worthlessness or happiness. You just feel like, say, man, we think they live this life for self. You understand? You go just, for some people, self, well, when they depressed, they go just they lose weight. And for some other people, by that time when they depressed, they add weight.
That's a very major problem in this one.
You understand?
Okay. Before we go collect small break, it gets a particular issue where they within this period, where they rise. No be one, no be two, no be three, no be four. Even it don't happen for Lagos, Abuja. We go say one girl won't kill herself because of a boy. One boy say he don't tire. So they use that word depression as excuse. Depression they connect. You get any link with heartbreak or with relationship problem, because that one are major among the young people. I don't know whether you get any link with
true. A bad event in someone's life can tip one into depression. Maybe loss of a dear one, heartbreak. Maybe you lose a large amount of money and all of that stuff. It can tip someone into depression.
Large amount. Better when you go make mistake, transfer money, go where you're supposed to transfer.
All these boys, they do all this wire thing. They just collect all the money where you get. You understand?
That one a major depression.
Don't forget that some people have an underlying disease. All they need is just a trigger factor. Their tips to depression.
Okay. So a particular event fit trigger. Wow.
Dr. Ma quickly ask you this question. You know, they send us message say you get one 18-year-old boy we paying way. He pay transport go into bridge. Say he won't jump inside the water, kill himself. Now in they save him. They come they ask, say may they scold them, say what's wrong with you? What did they do you? Why you walking yourself? Or may they talk to her soft. So
what will be the best approach?
What will be the best approach
to use for that kind of person?
Now, if you remember what I've been talking for the beginning, depression now, medical condition. As we get malaria, person we get malaria, he go get fever. He doesn't have any control over that. Now, for someone who is sick and is depressed, that person is going to make some irrational decisions. Something way on a normal day, he not go fit make by himself. You understand what I talk? You understand? So that person not be himself. Saying they do those kinds of things, don't be saying. So for you to come, they shout for they scold they try beat they do all those things.
They add more
to the problem. Now to they add fuel to fire. You understand? That person needs love.
So the best approach now to bring the person closer. Because some people say, they'll say, I will go if police arrest you if you won't kill yourself. All right, so my people, we could just touch small break. More enter market. That's one of the reasons why we sit down here. When they come back, so that we'll feel collect salary at the end of the month. Yes, my country people, welcome back to the show. We're going to give our final part of the show. Dr. Chim is here still there with me for the studio. Dr. Rita Egop and Chris Ekefre from Kumsa still also there with me for the studio. So we could just because Chris Kumsa did get one event on depression this week. Yes, the medical event. So we'll talk about that. But for now, Dr. Chim is here. Tell us, we get any help medically for people when they go through depression?
Yes, there is help for anybody going through depression. There are tested and proven treatment plans for anybody going through depression. So anybody that is depressed should go to the hospital, see a doctor, see a psychiatrist, and as well as see a psychologist. So those are the people that have the expertise to manage depression. But I also want to say this, that thinking about suicide, what we call suicidal ideation, maybe they think to the kill himself. Now part of the symptoms of depression. And the most common cause of suicide is a failed attempt at suicide. So person be don't try kill himself, he no succeed, that person will most likely try again. So like that 18-year-old boy we wanna talk about, that person is supposed to be watched, one, and secondly, that person is supposed to be taken to the hospital to seek professional help.
All right, thank you. Dr. Rita, give us your parting words and how they fit to reach us across.
I just want to tell them, say, they don't hear doctor say, when people don't, they get low mood. You see person they get low mood, they get interest for things where they do before, and it don't pass like 2 weeks. Good may you ignore the person, start to keep eye for the person. And as we like to they talk anyhow for Nigeria, they consider people feelings. You just open mouth, oh, why you fat like this? What did they do? No, those kind of things no good, because all those words figure trigger the depression we've been dead here before. So I want me they sensitive to people's feelings. I'm how they show people love, people who don't suffer from depression before, people who don't even get depression. More just they nice to our fellow human beings. On this note, I want to invite our friend from Kumsa here. May he tell us better package where Kumsa gets for us next week.
Yes, so Calabar, my people, I greet you now well. I come from Calabar University Medical Students Association, an association of medical students for University of Calabar. During this week, as from Monday, 16th of September, we go get rally. We go get a program. We go run through the whole of that week, tagged depression and suicide. A society in denial. We will also talk about some other things like worms as the silent killer, how worms they follow take cause things where they call pile, and also the issues around challenges of medical practice in Nigeria. Throughout that week, we go do plenty things. We go surround this matter. On Monday, we go do rally. We go mobilize a force of 1,000 students to talk about this issue of suicide and depression. Then we go also do other small things to make things easy all the way till Friday.
All right, thank you. So, Dr. Rita, your final word.
Okay, you can reach us on our social media platform. If you reach us for our social media platform at Date with a Doctor, DR, Date with a Doctor, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. But you want to send us mail, you want to talk to us, you want to speak to Doctor, Date with a Doctor, DOCTOR at gmail.com.
All right, my people, till we come back again on Monday. Thank you. Stay there, stay out of trouble, and love everybody. Bye-bye.